Welcome to Harmony Haven, your ultimate destination for fitness, workout, and health tips. Here, we offer a variety of content from yoga to home workouts, meditation to diet tips. Stay tuned to Harmony Haven, where we aim to harmonize your body, mind, and spirit. Today, we dive into the world of yoga, focusing on a powerful pose known as the Warrior One or Virabhadrasana One. Let's start with a brief overview. Yoga, a practice rooted in ancient India, harmonizes the body, mind, and spirit, enhancing overall well-being. It's a journey of self-discovery, self-acceptance, and inner peace. Now let's talk about the Warrior One pose, named after a mythical warrior, Virabhadra. This pose embodies the spirit of a warrior, strong, focused, and fearless. It's a standalone pose that also serves as a foundation for many other poses. It's significant in yoga because it helps build strength, concentration, and balance. Not only does it engage multiple muscle groups, but it also promotes a sense of grounding and stability. So, are you ready to channel your inner warrior? Now we guide you through the Warrior One pose step by step. Start by standing upright in the mountain pose. Take a moment to ground yourself, feeling the earth beneath your feet. Now take a big step back with your right foot. Ideally, the distance between your feet should be about the length of one of your legs. Turn your right foot out to about a 45-degree angle. Your left foot should still be pointing straight ahead. Make sure your hips are square, facing the front. This might require a bit of a wiggle, but that's all part of finding your balance. Now, let's get into the heart of the Warrior One pose. Bend your left knee until it's directly above your left ankle. Your knee should form a right angle, with your thigh parallel to the ground. Your right leg should remain straight and strong. Imagine you're pressing the outer edge of your right foot into an invisible wall behind you. Next, raise your arms above your head. Reach for the sky, stretching your fingers towards the clouds. But remember, keep your shoulders relaxed. We're aiming for a sense of ease and freedom, not tension. Take a deep breath in, lifting your chest. As you exhale, sink a little deeper into the pose. Feel the strength in your legs, the stretch in your arms, and the calm in your mind. Hold the pose for about 5 to 10 breaths, or however long feels comfortable for you. To come out of the pose, lower your arms and step your right foot forward to meet your left, returning to the mountain pose. Take a moment to appreciate the work your body has done. And of course, don't forget to do the pose on the other side. The Warrior One pose might take a bit of practice to get right, but that's the beauty of yoga. It's a journey, not a destination. So be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. And there you have it, the Warrior One pose. You might be wondering, what's so special about this Warrior One pose? Well, let's dive into some of its remarkable benefits. First and foremost, Warrior One is a fantastic full-body workout. When you hold this pose, you're engaging and strengthening your legs, your core, your arms, and your back. It's stretching and toning your muscles all in one elegant motion. But it's not just about physical strength. The Warrior One pose is also about balance and stability. It challenges you to ground yourself, to root your feet into the earth and stand firm. This aspect of the pose can help improve your overall balance, which is beneficial not just in your yoga practice, but in your everyday life as well. Now, let's talk about the upper body. As you reach your arms up towards the sky in Warrior One, you're giving your shoulders, arms, and the muscles around your rib cage a good stretch. This can help to reduce tension and stiffness, especially if you spend a lot of your day sitting or hunched over a computer. And let's not forget about the mental benefits. The Warrior One pose is a powerful tool for cultivating focus and concentration. It requires you to be fully present, to connect with your body and your breath. This can help to clear your mind and reduce stress, making it a wonderful pose to include in your daily routine. Moreover, the pose encourages a sense of courage and determination. It's named after a mythical warrior, after all. And as you hold the pose, you might just find yourself channeling some of that warrior spirit. This can boost your confidence and resilience, both on and off the yoga mat. Finally, Warrior One can also stimulate your circulatory and respiratory systems, promoting better blood flow and deeper breathing. This can have a range of health benefits from boosting your energy levels to improving your heart health. Impressive, isn't it? The Warrior One pose is a true embodiment of strength and grace. It's an all-encompassing pose that benefits not just your body, but your mind as well. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised by the power you discover within yourself. While the Warrior One pose is beneficial, safety should always come first. It's essential to understand your body and its limits before embarking on this journey. Yoga is not a competition. It's a personal journey of growth and self-discovery. Now, let's delve into some safety measures and precautions to consider while performing the Warrior One pose. Firstly, always warm up before starting the pose. Cold muscles aren't as flexible, and jumping right into a deep pose can lead to strains or injuries. A few rounds of sun salutations can do the trick, getting your heart rate up and your muscles warm. Secondly, be mindful of your alignment. Your front knee should be directly over your ankle, forming a right angle. Ensure your knee isn't going past your toes, as this can put undue stress on the knee joint. If you find this challenging, try shortening your stance. Now let's talk about your back foot. It should be planted firmly on the ground, angled about 45 degrees. If you're having trouble keeping your heel grounded, try widening your stance or placing a folded blanket under your heel for support. For those with shoulder issues, instead of reaching your arms up, you can place your hands on your hips. This still opens up your chest and shoulders, but without the added strain. If you're a beginner or have a condition like high blood pressure or heart problems, it's advisable to use a wall for support while performing the Warrior One pose. This can help you maintain balance without straining your body. Also, remember to breathe. It might sound obvious, but many of us hold our breath when focusing on a pose. Smooth, steady breathing helps you stay relaxed and present in the moment. Lastly, never force a pose. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Listen to your body. It's okay to back off and modify as needed. Remember, yoga is not about pushing your limits, but understanding and respecting them. It's about finding harmony between strength and flexibility, effort and ease. So take these safety measures to heart and enjoy your journey in the Warrior One pose. That's all for today's session at Harmony Haven. We've walked through the Warrior One pose, highlighting its benefits and safety measures. Make it part of your fitness routine. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Harmony Haven for more fitness, workout, and health tips. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.